Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last week and how the price of natural gas can move in the next week. As I've categorically told you that the price as and when started moving below a level of $2, a further fall we can see, and there is still chances that we can see a further downfall. Okay, after making a low of around $2.058, I have told you that this is a very high chances that we can see further fall. It has already moved a low of around $1.9252. As you can see now, it is trying to go a little up, but for a day wise, but overall trend is downside. And I've already explained you that this level has come after July of 2022. This is the time where the pandemic was there, and we have seen the price has come now. And this is also what we have seen, that the price has come now because we have seen the dollar getting strengthened, and some of the factors are also in there, okay, which is making the natural gas fall further down. Okay, now what if we can see that there is a higher chances that we can see a further fall, because we can see the dollar price you can see looking at this particular chart that once the price started moving above a level of 104.418, also a further upside movement we can see, and as soon as started going above level of 104.50, then we can see a breakout will happen, and then a further upside we can see towards 105 also. Okay, and this natural gas and dollar index are inversely related. Okay, so when if it is started going upside, we can see there will be the price that natural gas can come further down. Okay, and some of the points I'm saying you, but other factors are also there which affect the price of natural gas. Okay, and if you look at this particular trend, there is opposite U pattern is forming, and a bigger part is that this is opposite U pattern is forming, and I have already told you that as soon as the price fall below a level of 2.7, that we can see it can move further low. And now chances are very high that if the price keep falling further down, we can see it can go below a level of 1.6, and from there a further fall we can see. Okay, if you look at the pandemic, after pandemic, what was happening, that whenever it is hitting a new high, a profit booking is coming, because it was the time where the pandemic situation can get worse. So this is the way the people were booking their profits. Okay, which is making a fall in the price, and then a swing was forming. There's a buyer coming again, and that is where it's making a new high, and then again a profit booking was coming. Okay, now if you look at this particular trend, there is a continuous fall from 4 weeks. Okay, and this is the doji candle, so probability was very high. This is the buyer and seller which is not able to decide what point to go. Okay, so when then after that we have seen a selling point has come. Okay, now looking at the dollar index, also looking at the chart overall trend also. Okay, and then for this particular zone, that it has come after 2020. Okay, this is means 4 years we have seen the gap was there, and now it has come down, so chances can be high we can see a further downfall in the price of natural gas. Okay, but this is always understand, we can see looking at the chart, but there is always a probability that market can move is uncertain, so you always try to set your SL. Okay, whether you are right or wrong, always try to set your SL, because if it didn't turn that way, you will save your capital. But once you are started in profit, always try to trail your profit. This will help you to get more profitable trades. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can move in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. Okay, so let's see if the price didn't sustain what we can see. Suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can come down again towards a level of $1.8713. Okay, and if that level move further low, a further downfall we can see towards $1.7518. And if it started moving below that particular zone, chances will be high that we can see a level of 1.6515, and from there a further fall we can see towards a level of 1.5962. Okay, this is the level where we have seen this is already being a weak support, so chances are high it can go further down, and from there a probability of touching $1.52352 is there. Okay, and once started going below a level of 1.5, a further downfall, because this level we have not seen since, and you can say it's an all-time low, so a further downfall we can see, and from there we can see level 1.4 also, and then a further fall. Overall trend is downside, but remember something, see, if you look at this trend, it is down, but we have seen green candle also forming. So if you are putting your SL correctly, you will save and make good profit. But if you are putting, see, volatility is this much, and you are putting SL here, so your SL will hit more rather than hitting your target. So always try to put your SL in such a way, reduce your quantity by half or 1/4. Same time increase your SL by 4 or twice. So that will help you to gain more momentum and be in the trades. So let's see if the price form a swing, and if it sustain this level, we can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of $2.0377. If that sustain, we can see it can high towards a level of $1.4415. Once the price started going above this level, this is a weak high. So once started going up this level, we can see it can go towards a level of $1.813. If the price keep moving above that level, a further upside we can see towards a level of $2.3753. Okay, and if the price keep moving above that level, a further upside movement we can see, and from there it can go towards $2.5428, and this level is already being had this level. So once started going up that level, a further upside we can see towards a level of around $2.7689. Okay, and this is the high. So once started going above $2.7819, we can see it can go towards a level of $2.8926, and if started going above that level, we will see it will cross a level of 3.0322. Okay, and what we can see looking at this particular chart, once started going over 2.7, chance of touching 3 we can see, and if it started going up $3, a further upside we can see from towards a level of $3.3, and if that sustain, a further up high we can see towards $3.6780. Okay, after 3.3 we can see a level of 3.6780. Okay, and if the price keep moving above that level, a further upside we can see, and from there a probability of going towards 3.9 to a level of, and this gap can be filled at that level. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video,